Hi students, good morning. Today I am going to teach you plus 2 accountancy. The name of the lesson is 4 partnership valuation of Goodwill. Under the partnership form, the last classes, that is previous lesson teaches. Hi students, good morning. Today I am going to teach you plus 2 accountancy. The name of the lesson is 4 partnership valuation of goodwill. Under the partnership firm, the last classes, that is previous lesson, teaches you what is the basic concepts. What are the basic concepts? How to prepare the capital accounts, how to calculate the interest on capital, how to calculate the interest on drawings, then how to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. These accounts and all we have seen in the lesson 3 under partnership firm basic concepts. Now this lesson also teaches you how to value the goodwill under the partnership firm. So there are many partners will be in the partnership firm. They are contributing the capital. So based on the firm's reputation, the partners goodwill also to be calculated. Okay, so under what circumstances the valuation of goodwill is to be calculated, and what are the importance of calculation of valuation of goodwill. So these items and all we will see in this chapter. Okay, first we will see what is goodwill. Okay, what is goodwill? Then for what reasons we have to calculate, what are the factors affecting for valuation of goodwill, and what is the reason, what are the importance for valuation of goodwill. So first we will see this. Goodwill. Goodwill is nothing but the reputation of the business. Okay, goodwill is nothing but the reputation of the business. What is the reputation? For example, take some famous companies, means definitely we will say some famous companies means what? Reliance and Pothys and like that we will say some few companies only. But in this world, or in this in our Tamil Nadu, in our Chennai, famous company means only Reliance only is there. Many peoples are there. But even though we are telling the famous peoples means whoever famous in the business, whoever sales is high in the business, we will tell these peoples only. Okay, like Reliance, like Tata, Birla, like Pothys, Saravana stores. So these peoples they are in the top toppers in the sales. So those who are toppers in the sales, those who are getting more income, so they are called famous businesses. Whoever comes under the famous businesses, it means their reputation is also big. So whose reputation is making more sales, so that reputation is called goodwill. That goodwill, how to calculate in a partnership firm, that we will see in this chapter. How to calculate the goodwill in partnership firm. Okay, first let us see what is the meaning of goodwill. What is the meaning of goodwill? Listen carefully. So chapter 4, goodwill in partnership accounts. What is the meaning of goodwill? Goodwill is the good name or reputation of the business which brings benefit to the business. Okay, what do you mean by goodwill? Goodwill is the good name or reputation of the business which brings benefit of the business. What is here benefit means? Benefit means sales, more sales. Usually every people's will doing the business, every people will get the income, but that income is called normal income only. But those who are achieving the super income, that is super profit, they are called there only. For them only we have to calculate goodwill. Whoever sales is more than the average, usually all the business peoples will get the average profit only. But those who will touch the super profit, so who touch the whose business and all touches the super profit, they are called goodwill. Okay, they are called that is famous business, so their reputations go high, so that is why they are reaching more sales, more income than the normal income. Though whoever reaching the more income than the normal income, so these peoples only will achieve the goodwill. Okay, these business peoples only will toppers in the business. Okay, whoever goes toppers in the business, for them only we have to calculate the valuation of goodwill. Okay, so goodwill is the good name or reputation of the business which brings benefit to the business. It enables the business to earn more profit. This goodwill enables to earn more profit. Okay, if the business reputation is goes high, means automatically people will go behind them. Okay, the public will go behind the business. Okay, business will not call you. Once the business reaches the reputation, okay, the goodwill, so automatically people will go and buy without any advertisement. Okay, but nowadays when many business peoples will give the advertisement to attract the public, but whoever reaches the super profit, they will not give the advertisement because they reaches the reputation. So high reputation will give the more profit, so they without any expenditures they will make more profit, so peoples will go and buy and increase their sales. Okay, whose sales? Businessman people's sales, the public will increase because of the reputation. Okay, a reputation, it is the present value of a firm's future excess earnings. Whoever started the business in the beginning stage, they have to work hard and sincere and very good. They are doing very good business. They are giving quality products. They are giving good services. These peoples only will reach the reputation. Okay, these peoples only will reach the big sales. Okay, so whoever give the good service, good product, and sincere in the business, so these peoples only will reach us the more profit, that is the super profit. Whoever reaches the super profit, for them only we have to calculate the goodwill. Okay, goodwill is the good name of the business. Okay, so it is an intangible asset. It is the asset. Goodwill is nothing but asset. But usually we can see the assets. For example, land, building, furniture, everything we can see and we can touch. So that is why these assets are called land, building, furniture, machinery, car, everything is the tangible asset. That is we can see and we can touch. But intangible asset like goodwill we cannot see, because reputation we can hear and we can understand, but we cannot see and we cannot touch. Okay, so the intangible assets like goodwill we cannot see and we cannot touch. Okay, yes, now it is an intangible asset and it has no physical existence. It is shown under the fixed assets in the balance sheet. So goodwill will be shown under the fixed assets in the balance sheet. Okay, yes, now we'll see what are the factors determining the value of goodwill. Very important. This is very theory. This is important theory questions. Is a maximum. These questions will come in 3 marks. Okay, 3 points you have to read. Maximum 7 points they have given. So at least you have to read minimum 3 points from this points. Factors determining the value of goodwill of your partnership firm. So how the value of goodwill determining the what are the factors determining the value of goodwill? Okay, so now we are going to study how to calculate the goodwill, valuation of goodwill, how to value the goodwill, how to value the particular business goodwill. Okay, for that what are the factors are determining for the goodwill of the firm? Number 1, profitability of the firm. The profit earning capacity of the firm determines the value of its goodwill. The profit earning capacity of the firm determines the value of goodwill. Of course, every business peoples are earning the profit. For example, in our area, many businesses are there. Many tea stalls are there, many hotels are there, many showrooms are there, many textiles business are there in our area. But even though among all the business people, any one of the business peoples only will be very famous. Okay, so the farmers will give the more profit. Okay, the profit earning capacity. The profit earning capacity. What they will do, they will use some techniques to improve their sales. Okay, they will use some techniques, use some new marketing system in their business, so automatically their profit will be increased. So the profit earning capacity of the firm determines the value of goodwill. A firm earning higher profit and having potential to generate higher profits in future will have higher value of goodwill. Okay, higher profit, usually everyone will get normal profit, but higher profit means more than the normal profit. Whoever reaches the more than normal profit, for them, for these peoples will use some techniques, to improve their sales, improve their incomes. So whoever's business incomes is increasing, so that is one of the important factor to value of goodwill. So what is that? Profit earning capacity. Whoever having the capacity to earn their business profit. So for them, we have to calculate the valuation of goodwill. The first point is what? Profit earning capacity. That is profitability of the firm. Number 2. Second factor is favorable location of the business enterprises. Usually, if business profit is earning, how they are earning more profit means, the one of the reason is prime place, prime location. For example, Spencer Plaza, take Express Avenue. Okay, so many famous businesses will be located in the very famous center of the city only, because people will go easily and people will go come often. So that is the prime places of the main center of the city places. That is the prime location. Okay, favorable location of the business will increases your business, will increases your not only your business, your incomes also, your sales also. Okay, it is if the firm is located in a prominent place which is easily accessible to the customers. Yes, of course. For example, one place is there means one shop is there means if we go frequently means so we can go easily, so we can park our bike, we can park our car. Okay, so they are giving the places to park your vehicles, a lot of facilities they are giving, and very easily to access. For example, T Nagar, for example Mount Road, for example Central. So these all are the accessible point, very easily accessible point. So those whoever doing the business in like a prominent area, so automatically their sales will also increase. So that is why he is telling one of the major point to increase the sale is what? Very important place. That is favorable location of the business. Okay, so if its sales and profit will be higher than compared to a firm which is not located in a prominent place. See, many people are doing the business, but some people are doing the business end of the street or interior of the area. So people will not go frequently there. So suppose business that my business is in the heart of the city or very prominent place means everyone will come and go. So automatically my business will boost up, my sales will be boost up. So one of the factor to determine the valuation of goodwill is what? Favorable location. The third point is good quality of goods and services offered. Yes, of course. If you suppose we are giving very good quality of the goods, very good quality of the products. For example, take example petrol. Okay, Indian Oil, Bharat Petroleum. So many people are giving the petrols, that is oils, fuels. So among them, so one Indian Oil is very best. Okay, or Bharat Petroleum is very best. So best products giving means peoples will go and to buy the products from them only. Okay, so one of the major reasons to you if you to increase your sales, to give the what? Good products, that is what? Quality of the goods and services offered, good services. Suppose we are going to buy some articles, some vegetables or some articles or some other goods means, so that they are inviting the customers very politely. Okay, they are doing very good services. Suppose we are buying some goods, means they will come and do the services with our, to our home in a convenient manner, so very pleasing manner. Okay, so these all are the services offering by the businessman. So what it help to increase their sales. Okay, some people offering very good services, means usually public will go there only. Some business peoples will give a very good product, means so most of the peoples will go and buy the particular product only. So this is also the important reason: good quality of the goods and services offered. If your firm enjoys good reputation among the customers, why general public for the good quality of its products or services, the value of goodwill of the firm will be high. If anyone gives the good product and good services, automatically people and the public will go there only. So automatically their sales will be increased. So this is also one of the important factor to value the goodwill. Then tenure of the business. What do you mean by tenure? Tenure is nothing but duration. Okay, that is, they are very big business. They are having the business since 1921, 1940, 60 years business, 50 years business. That is the duration. That is the tenure. Tenure is very, very important. Okay, so a firm which has carried on business for several years will have higher reputation. Of course, we can see many textiles, for example, say Madasha Textiles and Pothys, RMK. So these people are all having the business since 40 years, 50 years, 60 years. Because if anyone's business will doing the longer years, automatically their reputation will be increased. For example, Nalli Silks and all 50, 60, 70 years old. So their products is also, so if they are whoever long lasting their business, definitely they are giving the good services and the good products also. Whoever being in the business in long lasting, so definitely their service is also good, their products also good. Whoever giving very less in services and that is that is not quality goods they are giving, means definitely they will not be in the business in long lasting. So automatically they will quit the business within 4 or 5 years, 6 years, maybe 10 years also. But whoever doing the business in long lasting, for example 50 years, 60 years, 70 years, so definitely their business is good. That is why they are doing the business for more than 50 years, 60 years, 70 years, maybe 100 years also. Okay, yes, so good. Tenure is the important term to increase your sales and improve your business. Okay, a firm which has carried on business for several years will have higher reputation among the customers, as it is better known to its customers. Yes, if you are 50 years service business, 60 years business, means definitely public will know very easily. That company, Sony companies I know, and Solitaire companies I know, but Madasha Textiles I know, because they are doing the service since 40 years, 50 years, 60 years. So tenure of the business is one of the important factor to determine the valuation of goodwill. Efficiency of management, that is very, very important. Efficient, whatever they are giving very good services, they are giving good products, they are having prime location, they are 50 years business, 60 years business, whatever it may be, for all the second part only. The first part is what? Efficiency of the management. Okay, efficiency peoples will be there in the business, definitely your business will be going high only. There is no doubt. Definitely your business will go high when the business management are very good. They are doing very good efficient. They are efficiency in their business. Definitely their business will go high. Okay, efficiency of management. A firm having efficiency management will earn more profit and the value of goodwill will be higher compared to the firm less efficient managerial persons. Okay, so these are the very important 5 points for determining the value of goodwill. What are they? Number 1, profitability of the firm. Number 2, favorable location. Number 3, good quality of services, goods and services. Number 4, tenure of the business enterprises. Number 5, efficiency of the management. Please read all the points very carefully, because in examination many times this questions asked in the 3 marks theory questions. What are the factors determining the value of goodwill? Sometimes they will give specifically any one of the point to explain. A good quality and or goods or services offered by the company means they will give one point, you have to explain. Okay, a tenure of the business or efficiency of the management and the valuation of goodwill means you have to explain that particular point only. Okay, so you read all the 5 points. And one more question, theory question, is what? Need for valuation of goodwill. For what purpose we need to calculate? So there are some 4 points they have given, page number 122. There are very important 2 mark question. Need for valuation of goodwill. Why we want to calculate the valuation of goodwill? Under 4 circumstances we have to value the goodwill. Number 1, when there is a change in the profit sharing ratio. Okay, usually profit partners contributing their capital, no, 1 lakhs, 2 lakhs, 5 lakhs. So based on their contribution only, they have to calculate the profit or loss also. For example, 2 partners are contributing, 1 partner contributing 2 lakhs, 1 partner contributing 1 lakh means, so their profit sharing ratio 2:1. So sometimes they will contribute more capital also, so additional capital. So by that time their capital ratio will be, the profit share ratio will be changing. So by that time definitely you have to calculate the valuation of goodwill. So under these circumstances we have to calculate the valuation of goodwill. What is the reason for changing the profit sharing ratio? Number 2, when the new partner is admitted into the firm, by that time you have to calculate the valuation of goodwill. Suppose your 2 partners are there, A and B. The new partner 3 is coming. The new partner C is coming. So by that time you have to calculate the valuation of goodwill. When an existing partner retires, suppose already 3 partners are there. Among the 3 partners, 1 partner is retired means, by that time also we have to calculate the valuation of goodwill. And the last point is when your partnership deed is dissolved, that is close, wind up. Any one of the partner not willing to continue the business in your partnership firm, so by that time you have to show his consent to give you a letter that to close the business. So by that time the partnership have to calculate the valuation of goodwill. So this is these 4 points for what? Need for valuation of goodwill. For what we have to calculate the valuation of goodwill means under the 4 circumstances we have to calculate the valuation of goodwill. Okay, these 2 and the theory questions are very important. First one is what? Factors determining the value of goodwill, and the second question is what? Need for valuation of goodwill. Okay, yes. Now the third is very, very important, calculation of goodwill. Methods. Okay, what are the methods for calculation of goodwill, valuation of goodwill? Very, very important. So methods for valuation of goodwill. Methods for valuation of goodwill. Definitely these questions will come in 2 marks theory, very important, please note it down. First one is average profit method. Average profit method. Number 2, super profit method. Super profit method. Number 3, capitalization method. Capitalization method. Listen, my dear students, this is very important theory questions. Today, whatever I teach you, very important theory questions. What are the factors determining the valuation of goodwill? For what is the need of valuation of goodwill? So the third question is what are the methods for valuation of goodwill? There are 3 methods to calculate the valuation of goodwill. So this is very easiest and the simplest chapter, and less questions in this chapter. Only 11 questions are there. Okay, so we can easily complete this chapter. So for calculating the valuation of goodwill, we have to follow these three methods only. One is average profit method, number two super profit method, number three capitalization method. Capitalization method. So under these three methods only we will calculate the valuation of goodwill. Okay, so in next class I will teach you how to calculate the valuation of goodwill under these three method. Okay, so very easy and very simple this chapter. You can easily learn this chapter and less sums in this chapter. Among all the chapters, this is the very simplest and very easiest and very small chapter. Very small chapter. Okay, students. So in next classes I will teach you how to calculate the valuation of goodwill under average profit method, super profit method and capitalization method. Okay, thank you. Okay, practice this theory questions in this chapters. Very important theory questions. Definitely it will come in the public examination. So please read all the three theory questions whatever I marked in this chapter still now. Okay, first one is what are the factors determining valuation of goodwill? Number question, what are the needs for valuation of goodwill? Number three is what are the methods for calculation of valuation of goodwill? Okay, thank you.